This is the National Weather Service in Boulder. The preceding signal was a test of the NOAA All Hazards Radio Public Warning System.